Alright guys, I just wanted to do a little review on a cool tool that I have. Let me turn you around and I'll show you. I have the Milwaukee M12 thermal imaging camera. Part number 225820. Alright, so I had a hung caliper and this brake was getting extremely hot. Right now it's only 260, 264 at the hottest. This works a little better than just the infrared thermometer. Let's come over to this side and compare. The customer was complaining that it was getting real hot and smoking, and he just did a brake job himself, had said he had trouble pushing that piston in, so I figured he had a hung caliper. This side's a little cooler. $212, $222. This tool will also, you can do different colors. Works great for finding poor insulated spots in a house, a barn. You can see, we'll go back to the black and white here. See there's a little bit of a cold spot up there. That's my light. Cold spot in that corner. You can take pictures with it. There's a flashlight on it. Also has a laser pointer that it will take your picture if you hold it down. And you can save it or just cancel. This will also work good on checking your engines to see how they're running. If all your cylinders are running at the same temperature, if you got a dead cylinder or something. There's probably 1,000 different uses for this thing. It's a little expensive, but I bought it when I was building the barn to try to seal it up as good as I can. And it's come in handy for a lot of other reasons as well. But I thought I'd share this cool tool with you. They also have a 9-volt version that's way cheaper, but I don't think it has as many options. All right, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching.